Hey everybody, what's going on? My name is Caesar, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to properly clean out your fish tank. Here we go. Okay everybody, rule number one, when you're working with electronics, you want to unplug whatever you're working with. Right now I'm going to unplug the filter, okay? I'm going to leave the lights, and also I'm going to leave the bubbles on. All we have to do is do the filter right now. Here we go. Okay, so now we're gonna do our water change. We wanna do about a 20% water change, so we're gonna try to take some water out of the tank right now, and we're gonna do it with this siphon right here. It's real useful. I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, you wanna get the cup here full, and once it's full and draining, we're gonna bring it down, straight down, and it's gonna get the suction cup started. Okay, it's full, bring it straight down, and boom, now it's draining. Okay, real simple. You don't have to do nothing. Look at that, draining right into our bucket. The siphon started. Okay, we're just gonna go like this, and we're gonna pick up all that debris, all that waste that we have in the rocks. Okay, we're just gonna go like this, move over a little bit. You see all that waste that's coming out of there? Okay. We got fish droppings plus all the extra food that they don't eat that goes to the bottom. Okay. So we're gonna keep moving around till we get everything here. Okay, once our bucket is nice and full, we're gonna stop siphoning for a second, and we're gonna throw out our water in our bucket. Okay everyone, so 3 buckets later, that's about 20% water that I took out right there out of the tank. I have a 50-gallon tank, and so here we go, our next step. Okay, so now it's time to clean out the water filter. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to disconnect it, and then we're gonna move outside to clean out all the trays. Okay, so here we go. Okay, you gotta flip on this top right here. And you have a red lever that you're supposed to twist counterclockwise. And after you do that, all you have to do is pull, and it's gonna come out like so. Okay, so now we're gonna remove this and go outside. Okay, let's go ahead and take the top off. Okay, look how disgusting that looks. You already know it's time to clean it out, okay? I did go ahead and take out a little bit of the tank water here. That way we could rinse out everything we have in our canister, and then we're gonna put it back together. We're also gonna be putting in a new carbon bag filter, okay? So let's get started. Okay. Just gonna throw everything here in this bucket. Okay, we're going to remove the first tray. It smells delicious. Okay, it has our ceramic rings. Okay, first tray, ceramic rings. And then this is our polishing pad that we have right here on top. Okay. So let's go ahead and throw that in here. Start rinsing it off. Okay, it is not a good idea to wash everything with tap water because tap water has chlorine in it. Okay, believe it or not, there is good bacteria and bad bacteria. We want to conserve the good bacteria, and that's what helps keep our fish nice and healthy. Okay, and we're going to do that by cleaning it in water that we already have in our tank. Okay, so here goes the ceramic rings. Okay, I'm gonna take that out. Next, it looks like we have our tray of the bio balls. Okay. We're also gonna put these in here and clean them off. Okay. Okay. Couple balls got away from me. There we go. Those three. Okay, let's see what we got next here. Kind of scared to reach my hand in here. Okay, so here goes the carbon filters, okay? So I bought brand new carbon filters, so we're just gonna replace these. Okay. And boom, let's rinse this out. Okay, last but not least, we have our foam pads. Let's just clean it so we can get out. There we go. Okay, let's see what we got here. Take the foam pads out. Rinse them off nice and neat. There we go. All right. There we go. Now I'm going to switch out the filters and then we're going to put it all back together again. Okay, here we go. We're about to put everything back together again. Okay, we're going to start off with these pads right here. The foam pads, that's the first tray that goes all the way at the bottom. And just keep in mind that these rings all have to line up. So it doesn't matter which way you put it, just make sure you're lining them up. So I'm gonna have mine in the upper left corner here. Okay, all the way down. There we go. Okay, so what I did is I bought some more filters here. Okay, boom, Amazon. Okay, these are the old ones here. You can see how worn out they are, so we're gonna replace those. Okay, remember this ring, they all have to match up here. So we're gonna put it in the upper left. Like so. Okay. Next thing is our bio balls. Okay. Throw our bio balls and of course the rings at the top. Bio balls there, followed by our ceramic rings. Oh. Okay, gonna make sure that's on top there. Okay, followed by our polishing pad that I desperately need to replace. On top like so. Okay, now we're gonna put the top on. Okay, top, same thing. Everything has to line up. Okay, after putting everything in, it's time to put our top on. And of course, we're gonna match up this ring right here, upper left corner. Okay, just like so. We're gonna put the first two latches on, and then the other two latches on. Okay, we're gonna take it inside and we're gonna connect everything, see how it goes. Okay, after we fill our bucket, okay, we gotta get the chlorine out of the water. How do we do that? With AquaSafe right here, okay? So what it is this is a 5 gallon bucket, okay? it's recommended that we put 5 milliliters of solution inside 5 gallons, which is half this cap right here, okay? So we're just gonna, I already shook it nice and good, okay? We're gonna get, no, it's too much there. Okay, here we go, that's about half, okay? I'm gonna put that in there. And it gets rid of the chlorine instantly, so we don't have to sit here and wait around as long as the temperature of the water that you're putting in the tank matches the tank. Okay, now that we have our water treated, we go ahead and add it nice and slow. Okay, now it's time to attach the top part of our filter here. Okay, go straight in. Okay, the red lever, you have to twist it clockwise now to lock it, and all the way down. Okay, this lever also goes down, and you can see the pump is already taking effect. You can hear the water coming out. Okay, kind of just let it do its thing. And when it's ready, you have to pump down on this red knob right here, like so. You're gonna pump, pump, pump until you get all your tubes filled up. And once your tubes are filled up, you could plug it in and it's gonna start. Okay, just like so. And just like that, we have a clean tank now. We have happy fish, we have a happy owner. Please like if you like. If anybody has any questions or comments, go ahead and comment below. Thank you for watching.